We are back again in zoo. We are in Zoo Negara. Come on. This little boy wants to see some animals, even though he can see Farihin all the time. Hey, yo, look at him. Chilling. Man, like, you know. Whoa, okay. Never skip gym. Come on. Damn. Farihin could never. Farihin could never. Oh. Alah. Malu. Kalau in the panda, whatever you call it this. This is where me and Firas was making fun noises. Say 5 minutes, piss off. Playing around, you know. Child abuse. That's the mom and the kid. The dad is just. Oh, shit, the movie. Hello. I have to record the moment. Good thing elephant. Again. Oh man, smell like Farihin, man. Mothers. Smell like Farihin. Oh, come on. Look here, man. Whoa. Show me your shit. Harimau Malaya. Come on. Come on, Malayan tiger. Oh, where is it? If I can find the picture, I will show you. Oh. Whoa. There was one time we came here. I took a photo here. I leaned on the fucking tree thinking he's a model, but it's big now. I'll find a photo if I can find it. What even is that? The chicken? Say it's gone.
So that spider is gone?
It's closed now, so
Go!
this guy's happy because man is scared of insects. Mothers. And that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. Let's read. Let's. I wonder whose brother is this? Oh, no. Oh, what the I don't know how deep it is, but you know what? How deep?
How much do you have in there?